All right, nerves. It's okay. Nerves, right? The first time programming sometimes can be intimidated, and in this video is supposed to ease you into this. Before the company changed its name changed its name to Posit Cloud, it used to be RStudio Cloud, and I'm representing the shirt. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I zoomed really in just so that I can show you other students' names on this. So maybe I can use this in a different quarter, or you can just refer to this later on. Jumping right into base project, I don't have too many notes on this in particular. And I mean, the rationale for that is so that, I'm just going to tell you what's important based on as soon as I look at our studio, our Posit studio. It's hard to change the name. So I'm going to zoom out a tab. Oh, wow, a lot of things are showing. All right, so if you look at this, it's like, oh my gosh, it's complicated. I got you. Take a deep breath, and a couple of things I'm going to do, some advanced, not necessarily advanced, but things to make things look a little bit better, is press Control L or Command L, and it's going to clear that up, okay? And this is fine. So here I would say this is my calculator. This is my calculator. So if I want to say 4 plus 7 is equal to 12, psych, it's 11. I can do that. Or find a square root. So this is what I call a function. Okay, square root of 25 is going to be 7. It's like it's 5. So we can implement this little feature, the space, as a calculator. That's what I call the console, a calculator. And so, in terms of programming, there's a lot of different aspects to this. This is not a programming class, but I'm going to give you the capacity to do some kind of things. So here it says this green plus, whether you're doing a Mac or a PC, you should be able to press this and then press R script. So all your code should go here. So if you were to ask to do library, stat cal poly package and library tidyverse, you're gonna say what are these things, which are a fair question. Give me a second. You can type all your stuff there, right? And so traditionally speaking, libraries contain functions. So I just use square root. And so what happens when it comes to better and bigger functions, they live in these packages, okay? So I wouldn't worry too much about that. So let's say if I wanted to do square root, again, of let's say 49, I should get 6. It's like 37. I can run this, right, by pressing Control Enter, right? Or I can put and mind you, my cursor needs to be on the line. My cursor needs to be on the line. My cursor needs to be on the line. My cursor needs to be on the line, because that's how many times, at least times 7, that may happen during the quarter. So it says, how come this is not running? Because your cursor was not on the line. So, or instead of pressing Control or Command Enter, so Control Enter or Command Enter, you can have your cursor on the line and then hit Run. Okay. And really, what's nice in terms of being helpful, all right, so some things to note, you can actually look here at files, and this contains your directory, more so your folder directory. If you were to save this file as, let's say, lab 1, something that's coming up around the corner, lab 1, you can save this and it will show up right there in files. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And so that's the way for you to be organized. I usually don't teach that. But I'm teaching it today. So what else is really important in terms, if you want to change your color, I think I've done this before. You're going to change your color. Where is that? Go to this button, this panel button, and then pane layout. And then change your go to appearances. You can change your color. And mind you, this is black because my screens are just black. So everything's black. It's kind of dark, So all right, so that's fine. What else is important to show? We're gonna be dealing with data frames, the McDonald's data frame. It's nothing too much in that now. I might have you read in the data set in an interesting way, but that's for another video. All right, well, thank you for your time. Stay positive. We got this. And hopefully this was beneficial, and hopefully it relieves some nerve. That's what's big. This is ChatGPT. I don't know why I have that up. Such is life.